What's up, Max here with Home Methods, and in this video I will review the best Canon lenses in 2018. You find all of the product links here down below, so check them out, like and subscribe, and let's go. So for the best overall Canon lens, I went with the EFS 10 to 18 millimeters, and this one goes for about $280 right now on Amazon, and it is rated 4.5 out of 5 by about 700 reviewers. And what's really cool about this one is that it is a fairly cheap Canon lens, and it is very good for close range photography. It has an extremely lightweight design, and you get some really good sharp images with it. What I don't like is that it's not the most durable Canon lens out there, but overall it's a great starting Canon lens, so definitely check it out on Amazon. You find the links here down below. Number 2, the best professional Canon lens for short range photography, I went with the Canon EF 35 millimeters, and this one goes for about $1,700 right now on Amazon Prime, and it is rated 4.5 out of 5 by about 40 reviewers. And what's really cool about this lens is that it has some great image stabilization. You get some very good crisp images even in low light with this lens. It has a very rapid autofocus, and you have a good choice for close-up photography. And since it's a more expensive lens, it's also more durable, which is a great plus. The only downside with this one is that shading can be a problem, and some people have autofocus issues at longer distances, but overall, if you have some money to spend, this is a great lens. Definitely check it out on Amazon, links down below. Number 3, the best telephoto Canon lens, I went with the EF 70 to 200 millimeters, and this one goes for about $1,100 right now on Amazon Prime, and it is rated 4.5 out of 5 by about 400 reviewers. And what's really cool about this one is that you will get crisp, awesome photos every single time at any focal length. You have excellent image stability. It is portable, and it is dust proof and waterproof, which is an awesome thing. The only downside with this one is that it is quite expensive, and the shutter speed can be a little bit too slow for action shots, but other than that, if you're looking for a telephoto lens, this is a great one. Definitely check it out on Amazon, links down below. Number 4 on this list, the best affordable Canon lens for portraits, I went with the EF 50mm 1.8 STM, and this is a very popular lens. Pretty much everyone has this one, and it goes for about $125 right now on Amazon Prime, and it is rated and loved by over 2,200 reviewers on Amazon. What's really good about this one is that it has a very low price, and a 50mm lens is always nice to have. You can do so much fun with it. You can take portraits, or you can take urban shots in the city, or whatever you might want to do. So I highly recommend this lens if you're looking for something cheap out there. Since it is a little bit cheaper, you don't get an image stabilization with it, and some filters can be difficult to fit on it. But overall, if you're looking for something cheap, again, this is my recommendation. Check it out on Amazon, links down below. Number 5 on this list, the best affordable Canon lens for nature photography, I went with the EF 70 to 300 millimeters, and this one goes for about $450 right now on Amazon Prime, and it is rated 4.5 out of 5 by about 70 reviewers. And what's cool about this lens is that it has image stabilization, and it is a very lightweight lens. It also has some excellent color quality. The only downside with this one, in my opinion, is that it is quite noisy, but overall, if you're looking for something fairly cheap to take some nature photos, definitely check out this Canon lens on Amazon, links down below. If you want to learn some more about Canon lenses before deciding on which one you want to buy, definitely check out our article on homemethods.com, where we have a lot more videos and a lot more information for you to read. But as mentioned earlier, my personal favorite and my recommendation that you check out is the EFS 10 to 18 millimeters to start with, because this lens is a great choice for amateurs who don't have much experience with camera lenses. It is very easy to use and appropriate for many different types of photography. At the same time, the images are sharp enough for professional photographers who are on a tight budget. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you would like to see in the next video. I reply to all of the comments myself, and make sure to check out the product links down below as well. It will take you directly to the best prices on Amazon. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, and have a great day.